All right, what's up, you guys? This is Janos with Trading Spies. Welcome back, everybody, and welcome back myself too. I get so many requests and questions. What happened with my channel? Why did I post? Why did I stop? Well, it's so many things happen in my life. I closed my business in California, moved out of the state, purchased a new home. So many things happened, but the tradings never stopped. So even I didn't show my tradings, I continue trading in a daily basis, as always. This is my only thing to do, right? So basically what happened is New Year's, New You, and because of the requests, I gonna restart my channel. I'm gonna show you guys again on the daily basis what happened, what did I do, how did I do, and the reasoning behind everything what I do on a daily basis on the trading floor on the market. And I know it's helped so many of you while I was doing it. So again, I'm gonna restart it, and you guys will see step by step. We don't have to have a huge account to be successful, to be able to make a living. And as the account's gonna grow, you guys see we can size up, and once those steps happening, that's when we can make the serious money. All right, so let's get in and let's start. All right, here we go. The first recording of the year, and I don't want to say as usual, but today we had a green day. We traded 2 times. Both of the trades are winners. One of them, the first one, it was a small winner. It was about an 8.5% winner. And the second one, that was a nice, sizable, over 30% winner. So let me get in. Let me show you guys the entries. Where did we enter? Let me just go to the 1 minute, and we're just gonna break it down from here. Today we had a sizable gap down, and as it seemed, because of that, we have quite a heavy volume in the morning. So as we was breaking down today, let me just zoom back in a little bit. This is only for today, breakdown for today, and we stayed below the VWAP. As we opened, we start to rally up a little bit, but it wasn't a big one. So as we rejected the first few minutes, basically my entry, as we came back down and moved up higher, the rejection of the opening range, the first minute candle, right? That was the rejection. As we rejected the candle, we break down, and as the first candle made the new low, that's where I entered. And because this is a very serious support level, as we could see it, right? 1, 2, 3 times also this was a similar level, but as we broke down, we pushed. So basically, as we pushed, we break below the level, same minute I exited. And the reason is also for the exit, because you guys know how much I value the VIX on the chart, right? So this is a major level, major support level. If we wick below, in general, that's what happens. As we just wick below, the market picks up the orders, and then it's really the other way around. Exactly, that's what happened, right? As we picked up, the market start to rally. Basically unreasonable volume, right? It's no volume whatsoever in the first green candle, yet the prices is running away. And exactly the same thing happened. We hit the double bottom with no value in the first 2 green candles. We just started to run away. And of course, when the sudden move is against you, then people start to bail out, and then that's when the volume comes into the candles and the price start to move. So this was my first trade, about 10%, 8.5%, which is very, very nice. And the today's market, if you guys you were in it, you see this environment is not the holding environment, because there's so many rejections, especially on SPY and the ES. The moment we wicks is right away it turns around, and with the options we're losing a lot of value in the contracts. So we just cannot wait to see what happens. At least myself, I know what my triggers are, I know the way of my trading. So as soon as we wicks, we break any levels, I'm out. Any pivot level, any major support level, demand level, whatever it is, depending on the direction where we're trading, trend line breaks, you need to be out. In the today's market, you need to be out if you're a very, very short time trader like myself. I cannot hold the trades for hours, half an hour, 40 minutes. It's just not me. So this is the way of trading, and this is how I'm doing it. As we went back higher, we started to chop around, and then basically as we came down one more time, we find our direction. Just because it's a sizable market grab down, I wasn't considering any long positions, because of my thinking is we're just gonna run up, buy up all the contracts, and then we're gonna dump the market. And by end of the day, exactly that's what happening. But let's just, we don't know what will happen next, right? Let's put it that way. We don't know what will happen next, but because we in the market every day, we have our intuition what will happen. So as we went higher, I wasn't even considering any long position, even the market rallied up. So my second entry for the day, I entered my second, it was almost 1 o'clock, 12:50. Let's see which one is the 12:50 candle. 12:50, let's put our little arrow, 12:50. So basically this was my entry. As we see, this was our first, at that point, the high of the day, right? So these give us first a rejection level. We was able to break kind of same level. It gave us a support, and as we came back down, and usually what happened when you come back to the same level, try to reject, curling back up, and then we dump. So basically what happened is, as we get to the point again, we had the green candle, and as it start to come down and break that particular candle, that's where I entered. And this was also a very, very quick exit, but it made the contract price go very, very nicely. So my exit at 55. Again, where did I exited? As we broke the level, but this little part over here, 32% trade, right? On this particular move, the contract prices moved very, very well. But after the first few minutes, basically, just because the volatility, the volume, and the push combine everything, made the contract prices move very, very nicely. And then as the day went further, we find our temporarily support, we rallied back, but we came back exactly to that high, right? So the actual breakdown level where I entered, that became a support, right? Actually, that's not right, because that a resistance zone. So as the price came down, this is the ceiling above, rejection, couldn't handle, and then basically after the third attempt, we just dumped. And but at this point, I wasn't participating it any longer. Today, 2 trades, 200%, 2 winners is excellent. 2 perfect trade, and as the day continues, it's very, very nice. It's nice to see finally in any direction we have followed through, right? We break down and the follow through happens. I really like to see this when it's not just the market chopping around and the algos killing the contract. So today was a very, very nice day. As we break our levels, where did we stop? Next level, we break these levels. How far we go? Well, it's very, very close. So let's see how the markets continue tomorrow. Today I was satisfied. First day back, green day, 100% day. That's all we needed. And as I mentioned earlier, I try to make this in a daily basis. So as we continue with the trading, you guys will see we don't need so much to create, a daily income, right? With these two trades, hundreds of dollars we created, right? And it's no crazy trades, no jumping in and out of the market. The patience pays off, right? Hopefully this little video, it was helping just to see what was my thinking. If you guys like the content, please hit the like and subscribe button, and see you guys tomorrow.